Hello everyone, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Funde. Today in the chapter Rational Numbers, we are going to study about properties of rational number. Properties we have studied in previous classes also, as in 6th standard you may have studied the properties of whole numbers, in standard 7 the properties of integers, and here in class 8 we are going to study about properties of rational number. So the title of the properties are same, but we will try to verify them using that particular type of number, as here we will take all the rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? The numbers which can be represented in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not is equals to 0. That kind of representation of the number is known as rational number. So let us start with the first property of the rational number, that is closure property. As in case of whole numbers and integers, we have studied about closure property like sum of two whole number is also a whole number. Difference of two whole number is also a whole number. Like these things when we verify, then it is called the closure property, right? So here we will prove this taking rational number. In all four cases we will prove it one by one. As first I have taken here case of addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, and then division. Then we will see it is verified in which case. So first of all, closure. Here I have taken two rational number. We will add them and let us see what do we get as sum. If we get their sum as a rational number, so we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition, right? So let us start it. 2 by 3 plus minus 1 upon 4. When we add them, so I told you whenever we add the number given in the form of fraction, so first we need to make them like. That means their denominator should be same. But here it is different. So we will take LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. That means we have to make both the denominator 12. So here to make this 3 as 12, we need to multiply it by 4. So the same we will multiply in the numerator also. Here it is required to be multiplied with 3. So here 4 3s are 12. So here it is 8 upon 12 plus minus 3 upon 12. Now the denominators are same, so it will be written as it is. And 8 plus minus 3 plus minus will be minus. So here we'll have 8 minus 3 upon 12, that is 5 upon 12. So here the number is written in the form of P upon Q, right? P upon Q. So it's a rational number. Right, so we have added two rational number and we got another rational number. That means sum of two rational number is also a rational number. So rational numbers are closed under addition. Yes, closed under addition. Now let us see about subtraction. The same rational numbers I have taken, but in operation minus here. So let us solve it. Again we will make them like. So the numbers are same, so fraction will be same only. Here 2 by 3 will become 8 upon 12 minus, and minus 1 by 4 will become minus 3 by 12. So denominator became same, so it will be written as it is. So here we have 8 minus minus 3. The bracket will be open, minus minus will become plus. (11 upon 12). Is 11 upon 12 a rational number? Yes. In the form of P upon Q it is written, where Q is not equals to 0. So it is also a rational number. So we can see here difference of two rational number is also a rational number. So rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Now we will see the case of multiplication. The same rational numbers we have taken, we will see their product. What do we get as? In case of multiplication of this numerator denominator form number, the process to numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 2 into minus 1, we get minus 2. And 3 into 4, we get 12. If we write it into simplest form, then it will be 2 ones are 2 and 6 are 12. Minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6 also a rational number. So when we multiply two rational number, we got the product also a rational number. So we can see that rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Yes. Now let us see for the division. The same rational numbers I have written, but with sign of divide now. So how do we divide? First number write as it is, 2 by 3. Then divide turn to multiply, and then second numbers reciprocal. What will be the reciprocal of minus 1 upon 4? It will be minus 4 upon 1. Now numerator into numerator. 2 into minus 5, we have minus 8. 2 into minus 4, minus 8. And 3 into 1 will be 3. Again we got the number in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equals to 0. So the answer of division also a rational number. So we can say that rational numbers are closed under division. So here we have checked with all four operation the closure property, right? So the closure property exists in all four cases: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Hope the property is clear. Watch our next video for second property of rational number. So if you like the video, please press the like button. You can leave your queries in the comment box. We will reply it. We'll positively try to clear your doubts. Please share it as much you can and subscribe Padhai Ke Funde. Thank you.